This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Real website in order to test our code. It's pretty bad, so we can't just show the step-by-step implementation. But we are still able to create to open some demo, like default demo brain template, and just test it properly and just remove some elements or whatever. So let's say we have this text right here, right? And here is a banner, and we would like to just remove this space. We want it just to be together, right? Like really close, okay? So just open DevTools. It's F12 or function of 12. It's up to your device. I mean, yeah, it depends on your device. And we click here. So we want to just inspect the elements and all the stuff. Right, so I see this, right? It's great. Now I see that the padding is like this. Top, right, bottom. So 150, 80 pixels, 150, 80. Okay. Let's say I'd like it to be, I don't know, like I'd like to be heading just 0 pixels, and basically that's it. Basically, we did fix. We did achieve what we wanted, and I mean, works pretty fine too. So, what should you do? Basically, find the proper element and just remove all the paddings, margins, whatever creates this distance between two elements, because it might be like the space inside of the element or the space outside of the element. So the padding and the margin, right? So just need to inspect properly and see what they have inside of them. And if you find, then just change the default stuff. You can do you can add some important property as well to make sure that the default settings will be overwritten with your code. And then what should we do? Okay, this is just my test website. I mean, it doesn't matter. So we go to design, custom CSS, and let's say we just open it, and we want, okay, this is index page content. So we use class selector, and to look like this. Open the curly brackets, and add this piece of code. By the way, it has affected my own website as well, as you see, right? Okay, great. So yeah, it works. You can use the same piece of code, or it will be different because the class wrapper will be different, and it can be also margin 0 pixels. Just need to use white spaces. 0 pixels and then accordance. Something like this, Just try to play around with this code, and just don't forget about class selector if you choose class, or hash sign if it is ID. This is the way to choose ID. This is the way to choose class. Okay.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.